Meet Pete the penguin. He's sure he can fly, despite having the wing power of a wet sock. He jumps, he flaps, he smack. Turns out penguins weren't built for air. Unlike eagles, Pete's wings are more like flippers, great for swimming, terrible for liftoff. But underwater, Pete's a feathered torpedo. Who needs clouds when you've got fish? Plus, flying is overrated. Pete's got a cape and mad penguin confidence. So no flying, no problem. Pete's too busy busting out the flap and slide.